We're looking at the underside of the royal blue, I don't know, mule, I guess you could call it, where I'm trying to fit a part. Now, what we've got is the latest version of this apron. Apron. What is wrong with me? I've been doing this all day. Ash pan. And you can see I made the cutout, and the trailing truck is going to fit and all that, and I'm working on the final print of it now. But what took so long was the modifications that I had to make to the firebox, where we're going to have the flicker fire and all that in the cab, because I needed to stuff that PC board. If you look down in there, there's a pointer, man. Oh, and it's almost coming loose. Oh, it is coming loose. Down in there, there's a PC board. You can see it. It's just held in with sticky tape. It's not bolted in or nothing, so it does move around a little bit. You can see there's some components, and then you can see there's a connector with some yellow and green wires coming off. And I had a heck of a time getting that to go around the brush holder, the brass brush holder parts, and having the cable fit through the rest of the motor. And I found that I had room. I just wasn't putting it together right. I had to push the thing. You can see here the slots. I've pushed the firebox all the way back, and then I had to make adjustments with the firebox to make sure that it fit in that same position. And if you probably can't tell, but I have a very straight shot down both of these openings here for the connector cable to come in from the bottom and just tuck right in there. So there may or may not be cable clamps. There may be a different kind of cable clamp to hold the harness up, but that's it. And then the connector would go on like this. Okay, it would bolt onto that, and it would stick out the back, and then it would go to the tender. So to get that board installed and safe, and knowing that I can put the wiring on it, has taken me almost 3 days. Designing the board, and then modifying whatever else I needed to do with it, and being able to think I can design that board and get it made. I'm going to use these for these guys because it's done, it's faster. But get this board designed so we can get it made. And this is our Motor On detector, okay? And the upper two lights are for something else if we need it, like a cab light. I was thinking what I was going to do is put in a little white cab light, stick it out the top. At any rate, so we have this now installed on something that you can install once the motor is in, or the chassis is in. You can see it's bolted in place here, right? This part with the board will slide in, and the connector will go right around the pieces, and we can connect it up. So I'm feeling really comfortable that I can now finish the assembly of this engine and get all these bits in and together. So that was